Hey, my digital best friends. It's your host, Max Pitts with Trades and Gains, and I'm here to talk about ETF500. Yes, we are on episode 8 of our daily coverage of this coin. One of the most hyped meme coins in the Solana, and it's not even a meme coin, it's an ETF at the end of the day, because really the vision here is Zach Morris is going out and acquiring all of these dead communities and having them swap and come over into ETF500. Don't worry, we'll talk more about that later. But to kick things off, let's start with what's happening on the charts. So our current price right now is at about 0.01664 at the time of this recording. Our past 24-hour performance is 26%, which shows a strong recovery. We're sitting at a market cap of 16.65 million with 481,000 in liquidity. We saw a sharp rally hitting 0.018 at one point, but now it's consolidating. The buy volume is increasing with, in the last 24 hours, we've had almost $1 million in buy volume. In the last 6 hours, we've had 69,000, 69. And in the last hour, we've had 18,000. And in the last 5 minutes, 2K. So obviously there's some momentum picking up behind this coin right now. And support levels are holding well, showing buyers are starting to step in when there are those drawbacks. This could be gearing up for another push higher, but let's break down some key levels to watch. So we have a support level currently that is established at 0.0155. This has been tested multiple times, showing strong buyer interest. We also have 0.0140. If we break below, expect a further downside. Now, on the resistance side of things, we're seeing some resistance at 0.0175 and 0.0180. Critical breakout zones. A clean push above could send us flying to 0.02 or 2 million, 20 million market cap. This is our psychological resistance zone. If we break this, expect FOMO to kick in on X, everywhere else, your mom's bingo club, wherever else you talk to people. And if we hold above 0.0155 and volume stays high, we could see a retest of the $18 million market cap level soon, which it looks like it's trying to push up there now. Social sentiment. Let's go ahead and look at Twitter and see what people are saying about ETF 500. Some things that people are saying, as we can see here, we had Stonky Stonks with a nice new meme that came up for this. But some big news that came out was
coin that's out on
it's one of the best coins that out on crypto.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's going up. It's heating up right now.
Let's see that.
Elon Trump fart 500.
Check out the Elon Trump fart coin. And
so you heard that right. Yes, Antonio Brown was on Theo Von's podcast, and they were able to talk about ETF 500. So this was one of the first quote unquote coins that wasn't like Bitcoin or anything like that Theo and Antonio Brown have publicly endorsed on a podcast. So that's huge. And Antonio Brown is set to go on the Joe Rogan podcast on March 6th of this year. And he tagged ETF 500 when he did the DM with Joe. So all very interesting developments there, because there will be whales being onboarded. Now, what's trending other than that? ETF 500 is outperforming other cryptos. Some users claim it's been the strongest performer in the last couple of weeks. Get in and add more. Classic FOMO tactics pushing new buyers into the market. CEO at Mr. Zach Morris leading the way. Leadership hype is a big factor here. BonkBot integrations for easier trading. More accessibility means more trading volume. Now, here's the flip side. Some traders are warning about meme coin volatility. It calls for community-driven projects over random hype plays, and profit taking could lead to short-term dips. And that's what these dips normally are. It's just people taking profit. Final takeaway, the hype is strong, but we need to watch if momentum actually sustains. Whale activity and liquidity will determine if this rally continues. So how should you play this? The short-term outlook, if the price holds above 0.0155, we could see another breakout toward the $18 million market cap level. If it drops below 14 million market cap, expect a correction before the next move. Our long-term outlook is community hype is driving this, but watch for liquidity levels to confirm real strength. If whales keep accumulating, ETF 500 could see more upside moves. My final thoughts on this rally still has momentum, but don't ignore key resistance level. If we break 18 million market cap, the next stock will be 20 million market cap and above. And that's a wrap for today's ETF 500 breakdown. If you found this useful, drop a like and comment below. Do you think ETF 500 will keep running, or is this just a hype pump? Personally, I think it's going to keep running because there's a very solid team behind this that is really pushing this project and is committed. And most of the top holders are still holding, if not all of them are still holding. So lots of confidence here. But anyways, subscribe for more real-time TA updates, crypto news, and market strategies. Catch you in the next one. Happy trading, wear a condom, and be safe.